Everybody wants to make it. Everybody wants to be rich, successful, and be respected. But what most people don't realize is that success comes with a cost. The long nights, the early mornings, the moments that doubt creeps in. When the weight of the journey feels unbearable. Nobody sees that part. They only see a highlight reel. They see the wins, the money, and the lifestyle. But what they don't see is the pain, the failures, and the lonely road that got you there. The question isn't, do you want success? The question is, are you willing to suffer for it? This is against the odds. And if you're serious about making it, then it's time to start paying the price. I remember nights when I felt like I was wasting my time, when nothing was working, when the losses hit harder than the wins. I asked myself, is this even worth it? But then I realized something. Every great success story has this chapter, the struggle, the sacrifice, the part where most people quit. And that's when I made the decision. I wasn't going to quit. I wasn't going to let the pain break me. I was going to let it build me. Because every person that you look up to, every successful entrepreneur, every legend, every icon, they all had to go through this. And the only difference between those that make it and those who don't is the ones that make it refuse to quit. So if you're in that place right now, if you're struggling, if you're doubting yourself, understand this. The pain you're feeling isn't there to stop you. It's there to test you, to see if you're really built for this, to see if you're willing to go all the way. This is the price of success. And the ones that are willing to pay it, they're the ones who win. Chat, we need to talk. So chat, I'm not even gonna lie, today was a pretty bad day for me today, man. I ended up doing a lot of stupid things, and it's just funny because at the end of every single live stream, I always tell you guys, don't do nothing stupid and don't let these markets crush you. I was really debating whether I should or shouldn't even show you guys this because it's very, very humiliating just even being raw with you guys and showing you guys the times I do end up doing like these really stupid mistakes. But at the end of the day, man, my entire goal with this entire thing is to be as raw and unfiltered as possible as I can with you guys. It wouldn't be just for me to even just not show you guys the reality of what really goes on. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what just happened right now. So to start off, you guys are gonna be like, wait, what, Flacco? This is a W. Yes, I know it is, man. This was literally a banger, bro. This was a paper trade that I ended up taking, which was literally beautiful, my boy. Literally no drawdown. Come on! Just look at where that arrow is at, bro. Now you guys might be saying, but what happened, Flacco? Well, I'll show you guys. After taking such beautiful trade on ES and not being able to capture any of this profit as real money because this was just a paper trade, I ended up falling under the mindset that I need to take a trade, and I was itching for that trade. My boy, I was literally fiending for that trade, bro. I was literally in there be like... I ended up just thinking that the Dow was going to be our lagger that turns into the leader, which practically that ended up happening. But I was looking to get one more run above these highs, the last high up here. And what I was trying to do is to do a final finesse and try to get in the move before we get up to that high, which I ended up making a beautiful sniper entry right here. And then after I saw this pullback, I ended up getting out. But then after getting out, the price just kept pumping and pumping and pumping. So then I was like, oh my God, it's leaving without me. So then I was like, I have to go in. Right when we pulled back into this up candle, I made my entry trying to grab a final scalp. And my boy, price just kept going lower and lower and lower. And I was like, bro, what am I doing? So then I got myself out here, and then price went up higher again, and ES was going higher, making a higher high. So I was like, oh my God, it's gonna go now. So I made my entry on this inverted imbalance, got in, and I got out immediately, getting stopped out once again. My boy, I literally broke every single rule in my book that you can name. What the fuck? But yeah, man, let's just say that I ended up doing a lot of journaling because, bro, I was actually just so bummed out, man. Like, basically right here, I ended up making a profit of $68, which the highest profit I was at in that move was like $300 and something. So then my emotions were moving up and down because I was at 300 and then I closed out with 68. But then here, I ended up losing a total of $293, which already, after being up so much, I was like, dude, like this cannot be. So then here, I was like, I have to make my money back. So then I ended up losing again with a total of $595. Today I lost a total of $595 for practically no reason at all. You know, at the end of the day, the only person I can blame is myself. After having such a good run last week, I ended up just becoming so cocky today. And on top of taking such beautiful paper trade, my ego was just off the roof. Going into those trades on the Dow, I knew and I told myself, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Why am I trading? Why am I trading? I literally knew that I should not be taking a trade or that I should even be trading the Dow. I never trade the Dow. I hate the Dow. And today just made it even worse, bro, because what the hell is this? So alhamdulillah, you know, I'm never gonna complain that I'm going through these sort of mistakes now, because these things are the sort of things that I need to be going through right now in order for me to be where I want to be in the future. I'm just gonna take the day, journal, read, stay away from my phone, go to the gym, work on myself, and inshallah ta'ala, tomorrow's gonna be a better day, man. But until then, I'm gonna go cry into a pillow, so I'll be back. So today, I'm not gonna lie, today was a pretty good day for the market, but unfortunately, your boy still caught an L. So to start off, context-wise, I literally thought that this was a market maker sell model turning into a market maker buy model, which is exactly what ended up happening. Now, you guys might be looking at this and you guys might be like, bro, what is this trade? This is so bad. And I agree. This was a pretty bad R to R, and I usually never take stuff like this, but I simply thought it was high probability, which I was actually correct about. But to break this down, I basically ended up making a 5-minute NCE, which is a next candle entry on this down candle at the very top, which was honestly pretty bad, I'm not gonna lie, but still. Basically, right around the open, I ended up typing in here, and I said, highs could definitely be on the table today. NQ and ES are in sync with each other. 21,797.75, 6077.75 for ES. 6077.5, boom. That got smashed, absolutely beautiful. But what I was actually targeting was the 6080 level, which is right up there, which ended up getting smashed as well. I was trying to long the lagger, which was ES, and I was saying to myself that I honestly might be doing the wrong thing because the pullbacks here could definitely be pretty big. So although I thought this was very high probability, I thought that me making my entry up here was very, very bad because this was also the lagger, and when trying to long the lagger, the pullbacks are usually going to be way bigger than the pullbacks on the leader. After making my entry, I just didn't feel confident where I got in, so I ended up just closing right at break even. So I literally made like $14 profit because Powell actually spoke in like 2 minutes before I ended up closing at break even. When I was long on this down candle, I ended up putting my sell stop right on that line right there, meaning that if price got here, it would take me out automatically. The unfortunate thing was that when I ended up getting out at break even here, I forgot to close my sell stop, and what ended up happening the moment that Powell spoke, my sell stop got tagged, which means that now I was in short here, and right after tagging me in for shorts, price immediately just pumped into the highs, and I was immediately down over $500. It's safe to say that I was literally going to cry. What the fuck? But yeah, guys, unfortunately, I ended up taking an L. Here's the positions that I ended up taking. As you guys can see, I went long here, got out at a break even. The moment that Powell spoke, my sell stop got tagged, and then I ended up just getting out. That leaves us with a total loss of $520 on the day. But yeah, chat, unfortunately, we literally took an L for practically no reason at all, bruv. Brother, I lost my full 1%. For no reason. I don't even know how I ended up forgetting that this sell stop was still active. It is what it is, I guess, man. Your boy gotta stop being a dumbass. Inshallah soon, man. I'm about to just go collect myself. I'm gonna go pray real quick. I'm gonna go read, clear my mind, and forget this ever happened. Because if I still keep thinking about this, I'm literally going to drive. So as you guys are aware, I am the only Muslim in my house, alhamdulillah. But because of that, that means I have to go buy my own meat. Because, you know, your boy trying to keep it halal, you feel me? Sauce. Come on, let me hear it, chat. Let me hear it, chat. Hold on. Hey, nah, what's going on, man? Hold on, let me hear it, bro. We are on the Mac right now. We are market on close. We got about 5 minutes left.
Stop filled.
No! Yeah, Chad, that's very unfortunate, man. We were really so close to hitting TP, man. Damn, bro. Good thing we were at break even, because hell no, man. I'm done, man. I mean, we made a little profit, you feel me? Hey, who trying to go out to eat, though? Your boy stacked up with 15 bucks. But yeah, guys, I ended up taking 0 trades today. If you actually take a quick look and see what ended up happening at 7:30, brother, what is this? And me personally, bro, I am not going to be trading this type of market conditions. I I hate it when we end up having this sort of move way before the market even opens. To me, that's just a market I personally am not able to manage or be able to trade. So I ended up taking 0 trades, which I'm okay with that. We were just up 350 right now with no profits. But anyways, chat, no trades taken. Finna go to the gym later. Finna go read right now and just journal and just study for a little bit. W day, no work today, so. Hey, yeah. Whole team ate today, bro. Boys! Yeah, Hey, man, as you guys just saw, man, your boy took a clean-ass trade. And basically, just to give you guys a quick little breakdown on why I ended up taking this trade, here are the notes that I ended up taking, just in case you guys want to look at them. You guys can pause the video or whatever. Basically, I just thought that on a higher time frame, we were on a market maker buy model, which this was our first leg, and this here was our second leg. As you guys can see, this was also a market maker sell model, turning into a higher time frame market maker buy model. As you can see, basically these are the entries that I ended up making. If you guys actually see, I did end up taking a loss today in the morning. I was trying to short the market, trying to ask for a little bit more of a move down below into the data low. We ended up not getting that. After analyzing the market again after my loss, I ended up realizing that I was in the wrong side of price delivery. And then after aligning myself with price delivery, I made an entry on this wick targeting the level 6,100, and boom, TP was smashed in the matter of minutes. Yeah, baby, you don't even gotta explain much. Your boy's happy. Printed out my charts already, and these are basically the notes I ended up taking. And as you guys can see here, I ended up taking a loss today of $500, which is the short that I was doing right in the beginning of the day. After analyzing again, aligning myself with price delivery, I ended up making a total of $980, which left me with a total of a daily PNL of $450. Quick little thing as well, I ended up creating an indicator using DeepSeek, but it's basically what my mentor likes to call the time compression matrix, which is basically just a representation of what a 1 hour candle looks like. If you guys look at this example that I have here, obviously the 1 hour opens, sweeps liquidity, best longs is where? Under the 1 hour open. Boom, your longs can go somewhere here. And then where does price go before it closes? All the way to the highs. So I made an indicator, which if you guys want it, it's called the multi-time frame open lines, and it lets you customize it however you want. So it's pretty good. If you guys know how to use time in order to make entries, I really do recommend this. Check it out if you want. But other than that, your boy got work in a couple hours, so I'm just gonna grind in the meantime. But until then, your boy is chilling, yeah, baby. Hey, W in the chat. Hey, yeah, baby. I made me a little torta with chicken and rice and beans. But yeah, chat, today is Friday, February 14th, and the week is basically done. I ended up taking 0 trades today. I didn't really like how we were reacting, and I was also looking to get a run above January 31st highs on ES, but we never just got that. But either which way, I mean, no trade means no loss, so it doesn't really matter to me. I did the math, and we ended off the week with a total of negative $606, which, to be honest, I would have never been down this much money if I never did the really dumb loss in the very beginning of the week, plus that really dumb L that I also took because I forgot to take off my limits. But it's okay, man. Alhamdulillah. You know, today is Friday. We got Jumu'ah today in about 1 hour, so I kind of need to hurry and eat and everything. But I'm currently editing the video, so I'm trying to post every single week for you guys on every Friday. So inshallah, it stays like that, man. So please, my brothers and sisters that are watching, if there's anything that I want you to grab from this video, I want you to understand that it's okay to lose. It's okay to fail, and it's okay to be wrong. But it's not okay to quit. In the beginning of this week, I ended up doing a lot of dumb mistakes, and I ended up showing you guys the real reality of what it is to be a day trader and the struggles that a lot of us go through. I'm not perfect, so these quote-unquote mistakes are something that I'm going to be going through for a really long time. But until then, I'm not going to let these losses break me. I'm simply just going to let them build me. And that's what you guys should all be doing. Remember, this is against the odds. We must keep going, and we must stay strong, and we must think of who we are doing this for. I love you all, man. You guys take care, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys until next week. But until then, make sure you join the family, stay tuned, and remember, this is our story, and they're gonna remember us one day.